Hi, it's Wednesday, May 11th, 2016. It's around quarter to 2 p.m. in London or quarter to 9 in New York. A short video about gold. Zero Hedge is reporting that an analyst from JP Morgan Private Bank is saying the following, and I quote, "We think $1,400 gold is very much in the cards this year." And I don't disagree with her. The person's name is Salita Marcelli, and she was being interviewed at CNBC. And I also quote what she said on CNBC. She says, "We are recommending our clients to position for a new and very long bull market for gold." And in the same article, Zero Hedge talks about Paul Singer, who's a hedge fund manager as well. Very big hedge fund manager, and he says apparently recently on a Bloomberg interview that investors are starting to finally to realize that central banks are trying to debase or debauch their currencies, which means print the hell out of it. And I guess people are starting to realize that with negative interest rates for like almost $10 trillion worth of, developed market government bonds, gold becomes a high yield asset, even though it doesn't yield anything. It's very cheap to store, so you might as well, diversify into gold for big investors. And, this person from JP Morgan also says, this analyst, central banks may consider diversifying their reserve assets as they anticipate negative rates on existing holdings. So it's not only for private investors that have a lot of money put aside, it's also for central banks. The other day, former, I think, IMF chief economist, forgot his name now, I'll remember it soon, but he said, I don't espouse a gold standard, that's for right-wing nutters. And he said, but I think, developing or emerging market countries should diversify their reserves into gold, not to depend so much on the dollar. So there you go. JP Morgan looking for 1,400 gold easily this year. The other bank that's been advising people to go short gold has actually been stopped out. That's Goldman Sachs. I guess they got the Muppets to go short gold and they've lost out. So yeah, JP Morgan going for 1,400 gold. People are starting to realize that the debt mountain is insurmountable, and that the only thing central banks and governments can do is basically keep printing and debasing their currencies and making that debt worth less. The only thing that holds its value monetarily when that happens is gold and also silver, I would say. I just got a few silver coins, maple leafs today. They're 2016 ones, very nice. Silver is also, a good investment in my opinion, a good protection really against the debasement of the currency. Don't let central banks fool you into thinking that we have deflation or prices going down. There might be for financial assets, but everyday necessities and prices are going up just one way, and they'll keep doing it. Take care. Bye.